Ever found yourself confused about the places where food is grown or where farmers live and work? Well, today we will dive into the word noka, frequently used in everyday conversations about farming and agriculture. The word noka means a farm or farmhouse where agricultural activities are carried out. It is also used to refer to a farmer or a farming family, the people responsible for producing crops and raising animals. The first kanji means agriculture or farming. It appears in words like nogyo, which means agriculture, and noson, which means a rural farming village. So the kanji brings the idea of farming activity. The second kanji means house or home, and can also mean family or be used as a suffix for an expert. You can see that sense in words like kazoku, meaning family, and kate, meaning household, where the kanji gives the sense of home or family life. Farmers grow vegetables. 農家の人は野菜を育てます。農家の人は野菜を育てます。Life on the farm is quiet. 農家の暮らしは静かです。農家の暮らしは静かです。The management of a farm is hard. 農家の経営は大変です。農家の経営は大変です。A farmer's job is tough. 農家の仕事は大変です。農家の仕事は大変です。The most common synonyms of the word noka are nojo and inaka. Nojo is a specific term referring to a farm or ranch, usually larger and more businesslike. Inaka refers to the countryside, a wider area than a farm where rural life happens. The most common antonyms of the word noka are toshi and tokai. Both refer to urban environments where city life thrives and contrasts with the rural lifestyle of a noka.